I am Nora Rhoades, Family and Youth Development Agent for the Kansas State Research and Extension's Post-Rock District. Welcome to Mindful Daily.
If you're having problems with mindfulness and being in the present moment, start thinking about your breath. Your breath is with you, and you just begin to take deep breaths. And if a thought comes into your mind, let it float away. And it doesn't have to be a long period of time to do that. Some people have found, and again, research bears this out, how helpful it is. You intentionally maybe set aside first 5 minutes a day and try to focus on the present moment and your breath.
Okay, so it's just really like slowing things down and not letting the to-do lists or the different people that you have to engage with throughout the day or all the tasks, consume you. It's focusing on you in that moment and what your experience is right then.
And one of the real benefits to a person is being very non-judgmental.
Oh, okay.
Think about all the thoughts we have. We have 70,000 thoughts a day.
Okay.
Somebody's calculated that. So how many of those thoughts are pretty negative and impacts the body? Negativity really impacts the body.
Okay.
So when you get to a mindfulness state, you're shutting out those, or letting them just slide on, not stopping and thinking about them and dwelling on them. And again, I come back to taking deep breaths.
Right.
And if you're focusing on the air coming in and going out, that's what you're thinking about.
So Charlotte, do you have any mindfulness strategies that you practice in your everyday routines?
I did it this morning.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, my favorite time to get up is right before sunrise.
Okay.
And things are quiet. Things are quiet around the house. Things are quiet outdoors. And sitting and looking towards where the sunrise will be coming through the windows. And even that slows you down.
Right.
And then at the same time, I usually try to do 20, 30 deep breaths just to let it in and let it out. And that seems to start my day in a nice fashion.
Yeah. Mindfulness isn't something that, it's not a use it or lose it type of thing. It's something that you can say, okay, today I'm going to start incorporating more mindfulness in my life. And maybe taking a walk over your lunch hour. Or
taking a walk.
Shutting the cell phone off and having a device-free time in your home so that you can focus, with your family, or even just playing with your pet.
That's right.
I think a lot of people think, well, I've never done it.
Yes.
I can't do it.
Right.
You can start now.
And start thinking. And mindfulness is for everyone.
Right.
It's not a gender thing or anything like that. It's for everyone.